Christmas arrived early this year with this new Holiday Barbie. This is JBJ02. I got her from Amazon for $48, but she was also on Mattel Creations for $49. She's in this nice box saying Holiday Barbie 2025 in front. It has a pretty gold ribbon design. And she's also in this nice laminated box, so if you're an unbox collector, this is a good keepsake. The back of the box shows 4 of the dolls this year. I actually wanted to get Millie, but I already have a ton of her, so I got her instead. Let's get her out. And here is our doll out of her box. Our doll comes with this acrylic doll stand with a black base, and this certificate of authenticity. I already have a lot of dolls, but I realized I don't have this one yet in my collection. This doll has the Pazette face mold, also used on the Barbie President doll and this BMR doll. And fun fact, she was also once used on another Holiday Barbie from 2013. This one. Being a signature doll, she's on a Model Muse body with a basic 5 points of articulation. I know that we are expecting a Model Muse body, but for this price point, I think it's about time they switch to Made to Move. That's just my personal opinion. Our doll has bent arms with silver painted fingernails, but her toes are not painted. She is wearing a white and gold gown with the design going all the way around. Her top has these clear elastic straps, there's this white gathered tulle ruffle, and there's also this white and gold bow in the middle. I really don't mind this bow at all, but I wish they had put a fabric that's hiding the stitches, because I don't like it. Her skirt is gathered, forming a V. The fabric of her gown has design underneath, and you can see that there's also this tag here. It says Barbie signature. I like that the edges of the gown are finished. The fabric used for this gown's already stiff, so even if it doesn't have an underskirt, it puffs out like that. And just like most Barbie signature gowns, this closes with Velcro in the back. She has a pair of dangling gold earrings and a pair of gold shoes. Alright, let's see if her earring is removable. Oh yeah, it is removable. Does she come with other accessories? No, she does not. I have said it so many times in our other videos, but I prefer accessories with a metallic finish because this is just not it. Our doll has long reddish brown hair and she has a center part on her right side. She has dark brown eyes, slight gold eyeshadow, and neutral lip color. Oh, and she does not have pixelation. I went for my Made to Move bodies and saw that this could be her closest match. This is GXF05 or Green Tie-Dye Yoga. I know there are some people who have rebodied her onto the brunette boxer, but she's hard to find in the Philippines, so I'm using green tie-dye instead. I'm not sure if you noticed, but this body is already modified. I had modified most of my Made to Move neck pegs for easy swapping like this. Like what we did in this video. Let's remove her earrings first. And after heating her head, removal should be easy. Let's pop her onto her new body, and that's so much better. Her gown is intended to fit a Model Muse body, so you might notice that it's a little too small for this body. Let's see if it closes. Yep, it did. And here's our doll on her new body. I saw comments online and a lot of people are saying this outfit could have been better. I mean, surely, we've had better outfits in the past. I don't want to sound I complain too much, so I'm going to take out our inventory of other gowns for her to try on. First is this red and gold gown of 2014 Holiday Barbie. The top part is strapless with this shiny red fabric and gold patterned lace tulle sewn together. There's a thin gold ribbon in the center. Ooh, shiny. And the gown of her skirt has an opening here in front to reveal the red tulle underneath with the same gold lace tulle overlay. This closes with Velcro in the back. Unfortunately, I do not have the accessories this originally came with, so let's use what we have. I got this white strapless lace gown from Shopee. This is overlapping lace fabric with this nice white tulle overlay. It closes with Velcro in the back, so this looks actually more like a wedding gown instead of a holiday gown, but that's okay. Let's give her silver earrings. And this could be perfect just looking like this. And how about we add something extra? This is one of those crowns we made last year for Dia de Muertos, but I think it's also a perfect addition to this look. I got this pink mermaid gown from Amazon. This is by Coragu and we got this for $14.99. The top is made with lace fabric and this is lined. It closes with Velcro in the back and you can see that there's Coragu tag inside. And the bottom half of the gown has these layered tulle. This gown suits her nicely and I think this would also be good on a made to move curvy, but we'll try that some other time. Let's give her some accessories. And for our finishing touch, we made this pink and blue crown last year inspired by Pink Magnolia. The original one had a ring binder, but I removed it. I know you're going for a holiday look, but I couldn't help trying this on. And I think it looks great on her. For our last look, I'm borrowing this gown from 2005 Cinderella Wedding Barbie set. It's also a white and gold gown. It has mesh sleeves and it has these white and gold trimmings. It also has this white mesh tulle overlay and this closes with Velcro in the back. It also has bows in front and you can see that it's got some glitter, but it doesn't get removed. This is a characteristic ball gown of older Barbies and I love this. Here she is wearing Cinderella's gown. I don't have a gold necklace for the try-on, but I made this white and gold tiara that might go well with her look. It was so much fun having her try on other gowns, but if you're feeling adventurous, you can always modify what she has. Let us know in the comments below which of this year's dolls you got, if you did, and also which of our different looks we tried you liked the best. Thank you for joining us in unboxing this holiday Barbie and giving her different looks. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram and give us a like, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. We'll see you next time.